The new Slammin' items are now live on my website. Everything actually went live last night at midnight, so some of the stuff's already sold out. The striped tee in large is sold out. There are no mediums, there are no smalls, there are XL, and there are double XL. That shirt specifically shrinks a tiny bit, so if you do wear a large, an extra large will work for you after you wash it. Everything's live right now. Thank you guys so much for the support. Really excited how this line came out. Yesterday, with my friend Sarah and me and Claire, because I did not have a male model, so I just used myself and put a mask on. But all of those images are on my Instagram and the Slammin' Instagram if you want to go take a look at them. There are like hundreds of images that I still haven't even posted yet, so I'm gonna be posting those as well. They're really sick, all shot on film. They look really great. Shout out to Sarah, thank you. She doesn't answer. Hey.
Did you just call me 3 times?
Yeah.
Did it ring fully all 3 times?
No, the camera battery died.
Oh.
I just need to ask you, are you my girlfriend? I'm back from Michigan, very excited to be back. Picking up the striped shirt I told you guys about and the embroidered hoodie. Hey, this is Sarah, you guys.
Hey! Ask Dale to sign or draw something on my hat. No, on the top.
On the top?
Yeah, I want it like...
I don't even know what to draw.
Dude, a smiley face or like your name. I don't know. Draw a hot dog. Your version.
A virgin hot dog?
Here, your version. If you need like a template.
Like,
what's that?
it's supposed to be a neck. I fucked it up.
Oh, it's a person. Oh, it's a guy in a hot dog suit. Wow. That's sick.
This is the prettiest thing that I have ever made. Hands fucking down. I'm so goddamn utterly excited for this fashion show. Now this is a navy and a red stripe. There's one issue with this. I really, really wanted to do this shirt. There are no smalls and there are no mediums. I know, I'm very sorry, but I wanted to make the shirt anyway. So there's only large, XL, and double XL available in this shirt right now. Whenever they restock the smalls and mediums, I'll get them. I love this. The white complements the colors very nicely.
What size are you wearing right now?
This is a large for reference.
So this is a large. That's like the perfect size. It's like the communal size.
But they do shrink a little bit. So if you like your shirts a little bit baggier, as I kind of do, I would get an XL. We're going heavy with the embroidery. It's black on black, Slammin' embroidery. This is a personal favorite. This is gonna be the go-to all winter.
That's cool.
Isn't that sick?
Can you put that one on for us?
Yeah, for sure.
Let's see how this one fits.
Now I know what some of you might be thinking. Why is the black print on a black hoodie? I can't see it. Yeah, that's the point. It's supposed to be like subtly edgy, you know? Get your edge points up.
I think it's nice. You can wear it with literally anything and it's not so aggressive.
No,
you could still see the Slammin'. What sizes do you have in this one?
All of them. For reference, this is also a large. The reason that I'm with Sarah right now is she came down to Long Beach because we're gonna shoot photos wearing all the new stuff. So I'm gonna like do like a little montage ad type thing. It's gonna be sick. She's also gonna shoot a bunch of film photos. I wanted to get like other people besides me wearing the clothing, but this is super last minute and the drop is on Saturday and today's Thursday, so it's in 2 days. So I don't have any other models. I wanted like a dude and a girl. Obviously I'm gonna use Claire, but I wanted like another dude, but we couldn't find another dude. So that dude has to be me. How about this mask? So that you can't tell it's me.
I'm kind of like looking and like at the light and stuff, like right here is really cool. I like switch over into this space when I'm shooting, and if I don't, then I'm not gonna get good photos because I'm not paying attention like I should be. Like right now I'm paying attention to everything. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I get you.
Kind of. Okay, and work mode, especially for us, is important because we have a tendency to be like easy. If we're not in work mode, then we like
around. We're like, this looks funny.
Yeah, and then it's like not cool in the end because it's like we're fucking around too much. And then, like one time I shot pictures of Claire giving birth to a watermelon when I should have shot images of her in. I was supposed to be taking like beach photos of her. And
but
it was,
okay, I got no photos from you, but I got a fuck ton from that shoot from Bert.
Claire and Sarah have been friends for a very, very long time. Sarah's also from Portland. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier or not, but they've done several photo shoots together. Back in there?
Yeah, I get you.
You don't have to do anything because you have a mask and you're a boy.
Is that really how male modeling is?
Yes.
Seriously, like,
If I have a male model audience, they're gonna hate you guys. Claire took her pants off. She's taking a photo in the long sleeve. She's pulling a Kendall Jenner right now. Oh, damn. Chill. Wow. You are so goddamn pretty. Yeah, do what she needs you to do. It's fine, I got a good view, so I'm just chilling. That hoodie is so fucking sick on the hottest bod.
It's slamming.
Some Baywatch shit right now. You guys are kind of seeing a behind the scenes of this shoot that we've been doing.
Look at their shirts. Slam him,
really
slam him.
So I'm gonna be like editing us. It's like a couple thing, but it's like trying to make like an ad.
Okay, cute.
Ready? Yeah. Bro, I just gave you a new board. Look at your board already.
Sorry. Oh shit, I actually did it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Do it. Hurry up, go, go. You gotta land it now. We gotta go? Okay. Thank you. I'm sorry, I didn't hear anything you just said.
Don't go in the courtyard because I'm gonna be watching you guys.
Where is the courtyard?
You know where it is.
I actually don't, I swear.
By the fountain over there.
Okay,
By the Hilton.
so avoid the fountain by the Hilton. Okay, got it.
Gotcha.
I got you on camera. You look good. We came to this spot, and I know what you're thinking. It's just a ledge. I know, I always hate ledges, but it's low key, no bust. We're just trying to have a good fun fashion session. Fun fashion, what the hell is that? What does that mean? I just got the pictures that we took yesterday. They look so goddamn good. Walk us up.
Remember Fabian?
Yeah.
So he gave me a bunch of tips on how to use Tinder, and it's actually working so well.
Okay.
Like he changed my profile picture and everything. Literally the next day I got 10 matches, and I was like,
It's so funny. You were so like, not against Tinder, but you thought it was so weird and bizarre.
"Where's Luke?
And
Look
now-
at me now. Look, super likes out there." I love it. Are you gonna put that in this video?
What?
That song?
Should I?
Yeah, you should.
Cue it.
You're such a fucking hoe, I love it. You're such a fucking hoe, I love it. You're such a fucking hoe, I love it.
Oh damn it! And you touched the fucking water. You better get away from me, Dale.
I got shots like sometime recently. I don't remember when, but sometime
Let
close.
me go. I'm bleeding somewhere.
We're gonna check out these BMX rails. The reason I call them BMX rails, there's one over there too, by the way. The reason I call them BMX rails is because BMXers put these in here. They're really tall. That's why I told you to pull the camera out.
Are you still recording?
Yes, sir.
That was the most casual fall.
Oh my god. Fuck, that was scary.
I feel like a drone.
You feel like a drone?
It's kind of scary now that I'm up here.
Yeah, you should probably get down.
Oh shit.
You're fucking dumb, dude.
Oh shit.
We've been Tinder dating for a while and it's been going really well. You swiped right, I swiped right. Even though you took 2 months to respond, we almost didn't meet. So there's a lot of things that almost didn't happen. But I want to ask you one thing. Claire? Will you be my girlfriend?
So why do good girls like bad guys? I had this question for a real long time. I've been